Both of these VPNs bring unique strengths to the table, but when it comes down to the best premium features versus the best transparency policy, one clearly edges ahead. Let's dive into what makes each of these VPNs stand out so you can decide which one is right for you. First off, when we talk about premium features, NordVPN has a long standing reputation. It's packed with options like double VPN, obfuscated servers, and access to a large server network of over 5,000 servers in 60 countries. This makes it a strong choice for privacy and performance, especially if you're after extra layers of encryption. Not to mention, it has features like CyberSEC to block ads and malware, and the NordLocker app for secure file storage. However, all this comes at a higher price point, and that's something to keep in mind. Now, Windscribe is more of an underdog in the premium VPN game, but offers some intriguing features, especially considering the price. It has its own double VPN, split tunneling, and even a unique feature called ARVBRT, which blocks ads, trackers, and malware. Windscribe is also impressive with its built-in firewall, ensuring your connection is always protected. But it lacks the expansive server network NordVPN offers, only providing around 100 servers in 63 countries. This means fewer options for optimizing performance depending on your location. Still, Windscribe stands out for its value and the generous free tier with 10 gigabytes of data per month. Next thing, we've got to look at the transparency aspect, which is where Windscribe really shines. They've made transparency a core part of their business. Not only do they have a public audit to prove they don't log user data, but they even publish regular transparency reports showing any legal requests they've received from governments. NordVPN, on the other hand, while it has a solid no-logs policy and has gone through independent audits, isn't as public with its transparency reports. They have a great reputation for privacy, but Windscribe's openness gives them a bit of an edge here. The fourth thing we need to talk about is speed. Both of these services deliver excellent performance, but NordVPN, with its large server network and NordLynx protocol, tends to offer faster speeds in more regions. Windscribe's speed is decent, but with fewer servers, you're more likely to run into slower connections, especially during peak times. So, if you're after consistency and performance, NordVPN is the winner in this category. And when it comes to ease of use, both services offer simple and clean apps across all major platforms. NordVPN has a slightly more polished design, while Windscribe's interface is a bit more quirky, but still functional. It might take some getting used to, but it's not a deal breaker. At the end of the day, if you're looking for premium features and performance, NordVPN is hard to beat. But if you're more focused on transparency and value, Windscribe offers incredible transparency with unique features at a competitive price. Both are solid choices depending on your priorities. But here's the thing, after trying both myself, I found that there's a better option for what we've discussed in this video. If you're looking for top-tier performance and transparency combined, you should check out the first link in the description for the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to you through our link. Don't miss out on this opportunity to level up your VPN experience.